Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a pattern called RightPascal's triangle, and this pattern is going to look like this. And we have three edge corner and where it ends with one star, and the pattern I'm going to split like this, starting with 1 star, 2 star, 3 star and 4 star. After that it is started reducing it. So I'm just considering the top side of the triangle. See, till the increasing part I'm going to consider as one pattern. That's what you are seeing here. And the downside starts with 4 and ends with 1, right? I'm going to consider that here. If we combine it, for example, if I try to combine this both images, you will get this image, okay? And we will directly go into the coding. If you see the right sided pattern, right, here we have lot of space. See, lot of space. For example, here we have some 7 space and then some 6 space, 5 space, 4, 3, 2, and it is reducing to 1. So it is a increasing, it is in a high number and it is started reducing it, right? So it is a decreasing space, and here it starts with 1 star and it is increasing in star, okay? So in the right sided triangle, I mean in the top, in this top image, we have two pattern. One is space, other one is star. The space is reducing pattern and the star is increasing pattern, for which we have to write a code now. And as we already did that increasing pattern and decreasing pattern, I'm just going to reuse the code to make it more simpler. And this is the right sided pattern, as I said, the first triangle. Okay, first we'll check whether are we getting this pattern and then we'll go into this. First, what it is a decreasing space. As I said, always we have to write a row. Here our row count is 4. So I'm just making it to 4 because it is of it's only 4, right? 4 3 2 1 and 4 3 2 1. So only 4. So for now I'm just keeping it as 4. And here also, instead of 5, I'm just using a row count. And also after each row, when before the second row starts, there should be a new line, and so we have to always print this for the row, okay? And this is the row 1. And now for the decreasing space, we have to use one for loop. For increasing star, we have to use one for loop. For that, it is a decreasing space, so I'm just going to copy the column logic, but it is having a star, so I'm just removing and adding a space here. And we need a increasing star, so I'm going to expand this and copy the column code. And if you see here, it is just increasing star and it is having the star. So let's first print this and see whether we are getting that same pattern or not. See, we are getting it, right? 4 3 2 and 1, and this is what it is matching with this, right? 4 3 2 and 1. Now we have to print this 4 3 2 1 in the decreasing pattern. For that we'll go. For that we have increasing space and the decreasing star, and it is downside triangle. Because why it is increasing space? Here it starts with a small point and it is increasing in space. And here it is starting with 5 star, it is decreasing in star. Always you have to see from the top side. The star is starting with 5 and ending in 1, and the space is maybe ending in starting in 1 and is ending in some 5 7 9 like that, right? So it is increasing in space and decreasing star. Now we need a code. It is a separate triangle, so we need to write a separate row logic for it. So I'm just going to copy the row logic here, and always after each row we have to print a new line, right? And what we need? Increasing space. What is for increasing space? This is for increasing star, so I will convert that to increasing space. And what we need is decreasing star, so I will copy this decreasing logic, and after the space we need the decreasing star. Yes, this looks correct. And let me minimize all these, and all we need this one, right? Let me run. Yeah, it's almost looks like our Pascal's triangle, right? RightPascal's triangle. If you see here, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 1 2, 3, 4, but here we have again it is printing 4, 3, 2, 1. So what we have to do to get the exact pattern is we have to, we have to ignore this, right? For that we have to cut one row count. Then we have to do it here. I'll go to the code back where it is. Yeah, here it is. Here when it is I1, it will print and row count is 4, so it will print 4 times. Now at one point I need only 3 row, so when I is 1, it is 2 less than 4, sorry, 1 less than 4, it is 2. When I is 2, it is 2 less than 4. When I is 3, it is 3 less than 4. When I is 4, it won't print any star in that row. So we will get the exact pattern what we are expecting. See, it's equal to the right Pascal's triangle what we have in the definition here. Yeah, it's so much easy, right? So all you need is you have to understand the very basic increasing and decreasing pattern. I didn't even write the code, I just copy paste from the previous logic, and which is the very basic for all the complex star pattern. Please go and check out that all those videos, and hope you all understood this. Thank you so much.